I've wanted this bag for a long time, and this is a great price, but it doesn't come with a strap. Okay, well, find a strap. I found a strap on Etsy, but I'd rather have an authentic one. Well, take your time and find an authentic one. Do you think this bag is too small? It doesn't look too small to me. Maybe too narrow? That's what I mean. Let me look again. The large looks like it might be too big. Plus, I like the design, but those aren't my colors. Red isn't really my thing. Yeah, that's huge. Are you wanting this for travel and work? It's perfect for that. No, not for travel or work. It's just a regular life bag. But all the red, it really drives me crazy. Well, I like red, but I don't. Why are you looking at it then? Here's a better example of the size. It's huge. Well, to me, it's too big, unless you're wanting it for travel. It's too big for somebody of short stature. Bottom's 5'3". She tells us that in every single video. I'm not married to anything yet. I just want to add a Gucci to my collection. I've always liked the dog bags, but I'm not 100%. I'm open to other things. Well, good for you. You don't have to act so nasty. I'm not being nasty, but I'm trying to film. Well, look at this bag. This would be a smaller size. Okay. Oh my gosh, I really like it. But it has some issues. There's no end to it. There's no end. Okay, I see that. It seems kind of awkward. I just don't know. I just can't find any videos on the Dionysus hobo. Okay, wow. The Real has this exact bag. It's a medium hobo, but the condition has issues. I have to go through this every day, 24/7. This is so annoying. But it's really pretty. Well, get it then. I'm just so undecided. Look at this medium Dionysus hobo. I definitely like it. It's pretty. But I think I want something more funky. I definitely like that one. But I want something more funky. Okay, well, get something funky. I don't know. I'm just still exploring. Thank God you're here for me. Well, just send me some pictures of the floral ones. Okay, I'll send you a pic. There's this one too. I really like it. Okay, I approve. I need to think about this. Okay, I'm done with you right now. I have got some videoing to do. Put it on mute. Turn off the ringer. Okay. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel for today's video. Oh, did you guys hear some of that? Oh, I'm so sorry. I didn't realize the record button was on. I'm glad that it was, because now you see what I have to go through every single day. Okay. Let me just get myself together. Let me just take two. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have something super exciting. I have waited for a really long time to do this. I am going to reveal my gift that I purchased. I am going to reveal something very special today. It's my 4,000 subscriber gift from me to me. I purchased this for myself. I'm so excited. I've actually had this a couple of months. So it's been really hard to keep it from you guys, but finally the day has come and I'm closer to 4,000 subscribers. I can finally reveal it to you what I have purchased to commemorate. What? Take two. I feel that finally the time has come and I can finally reveal to you a purchase that I have purchased myself a couple of months ago to commemorate this special day and this special occasion. I'm so excited. I just can't handle it. And I'm not one to say without further ado, but you guys, without further ado, let's get on with the reveal. 3 years on YouTube, and I finally say, without further ado, and I say it from my heart. That's something that really luxury YouTubers say a lot, without further ado. I've never actually said that before. It's not really me, but this time I really mean it, you guys. Without further ado, let me reveal to you. Oh yes, oh yes. Okay, like I said, this is something that I purchased myself with my very own money. Keith did not pay one stinking dime on what is in this box. I purchased this myself to commemorate my 4,000 subscriber achievement. You guys, this has been a long time coming. I'm not quite there yet, but I'm close enough that I can't handle it anymore. I must reveal what is inside this box. And actually, what is inside this box, it's not really in this box anymore, so there's no reason to reveal it. So, I've actually used it a time or two already. I'm so excited. I just wonder if you guys have any idea what it is. And if you want to take a guess, go ahead, stop the video. I would kind of be curious to see what you guys think that I would purchase myself for such a monumental event. Yes, it's a monumental life event. And I really would love to know what it is you guys think that I purchased myself. Did I just say there's no reason to reveal what's in this box? I meant to unbox this box because there's nothing in this box. All right. Okay. Let me show you what I got myself for my 4,000 subscriber achievement. Bam! Oh yes. Look at it. Look at her. She is a small cocoa handle in this beautiful emerald green, and she has champagne hardware. She's a rare beauty, you guys. I am dead over this bag. Oh my gosh. So yes, I've carried her twice and I've had her for 2 months because I just don't know. I wanted to carry her so many times, but I just kept thinking, but I haven't revealed her yet. I don't know. But now I'm free to carry her all I want. Would she not be the perfect Easter bag? She looks like, you know, Easter grass or something. And of course the handle is on the inside. The handle. And you guys, I am a total cocoa handle girl. So I have my medium size sitting here behind me.
and this one's in the small. And when I got my medium size, I thought, I love it. I love it. It's the perfect size. And then I got this one, and I'm telling you guys, I don't know. I think the small is probably my favorite. I love it so much. I'm so happy. So like I said, I've carried her briefly twice, but I don't feel like I've used her enough really to have, I mean, my first impression is wow. She still has the protective plastic here on some of the hardware. So I purchased her from one of my friends, Dr. Fatima. Thank you so much. She is such a good friend. And so I actually purchased this and the blue cocoa handle from her. I'm just, you guys, I love this bag. And since it's Easter weekend, I thought, you know, I really want to carry her for Easter because, I don't know, is this not the perfect Easter bag? And I'm close enough to 4,000 subscribers. So I thought, I'll just go ahead and reveal her. I just could not wait any longer. So when I carry her after this weekend and a few more times, I'm going to do a first impressions. I mean, my first impression is bam. I mean, bam. But I will do some mod shots. I will show you what fits inside, and I'm going to compare her to my medium-sized cocoa handle. So I'll go ahead and grab that one and show them to you side by side. But right now it's just but this video is really just a brief reveal of my 4,000 subscriber bag, you guys. I'm just thrilled. I love it. I wanted the Gucci Marmont bag in the green, but now that I have this one, I don't know, this one just trumps it, you guys. I'm in love. I'm in love, and I love green. And I mean, this would go with just about everything. I probably would not wear it with what I'm wearing today. It's kind of an army green, but I wear a lot of black, you guys, navy, colors like that. So anyway, let me show you the size comparison between the small cocoa handle and the medium cocoa handle. Okay, you guys. Woo! Okay, so this gorgeous small cocoa handle makes my 5th Chanel bag. You know, I told you guys last year, at the beginning of last year, like over a year ago, that I wanted to grow my Chanel collection. And at the time, I think I just had the reissue here. So I now have 5 Chanel bags. I love Chanel, you guys. I'm a Chanel girl. I am a Chanel girl, I can tell you that. And I'm a cocoa handle girl. Now, I have the small cocoa handle, and I had purchased the medium size. Now, there's a pretty good size difference in them. I'm so glad that I have both of them. But this one right here, I mean, she carries a lot, and she does too. I mean, you don't have to sacrifice with either one. This one's just a little daintier, a little girlier, and this one is a bad mama jamma. I mean, she's a bad mama jamma. And both of them are quite rare because this one, it's really hard to find this Chanel bag. And I'm not well versed in Chanel, you guys, but I'm just telling you what I've been told. And this one is this beautiful emerald green with the champagne hardware. And this one is gorgeous. It has the gold hardware with the lizard handle. So they're both quite rare. I could not be happier with these 2 bags, you guys. These are forever, ever, ever bags, forever and ever. I love them so much. And I might want to make out with this bag. I love it, you guys. Oh my goodness. Okay, so next week, well, soon, as soon as I can. Next week I have a try-on, Walmart try-on haul, and I'll have to look on my agenda, but very soon I'm going to do a comparison between these 2 bags and show you what fits inside. I'm going to do some modeling shots. You guys, I want to be doing some modeling next week. But yeah, so I love them. I love the small, I love the medium. And if you say, which one do you love the most? I guess it just depends what I'm using them for. Probably the small one, just a tad bit, but I love this one so much too. So I know I would love to have a black one. But you guys, I don't even have a classic flap. I'm thinking, I don't know why I think I need a classic flap. But my next Chanel bag, I hope, is a black wallet and chain with gold hardware. Yes. Okay. So I'm just really excited, you guys. I'm so happy to show this to you. And I just wanted to come on here really quickly, show you what I got myself. I paid for it with my very own money. He did not pay a dime of this. He did not pay for a dime of this. I'm so proud of myself. I'm just so proud because I thought I want something to commemorate this, and I'm not gonna buy myself something huge every 1,000 subscribers, and I haven't. But this one, I don't know, this 4,000 subscriber and three-year mark, honestly, it just feels, I mean, I've loved every minute of it, you guys. And I love you guys. I tell you that all the time. I can't wait to do the giveaway and the Samorga giveaway and the sunflower painting giveaway. That's 3 giveaways so far. So that's really all I have for you today. I just wanted to share with you my joy, share with you my beautiful green, emerald green bag with champagne hardware. And I will see you guys in a couple of days. Happy Easter, everybody. Bye-bye.